what complicated it for me was learning that, you know, Hasidic communities still do use Yiddish as their, I guess the word we're using is, you know, their everyday vernacular, and that I think that's kind of a forgotten thing. You know, I mean, I think it was something I knew but wasn't really aware of, and that it is, for some people, really still the language, and that it just has this sort of split between there's that aspect of it, and then there's the aspect of it that's just like, you know, however many people who are of an older generation still speak it, and then it's academics that are speaking it. And I mean, I guess what kind of future does that have for the language is really interesting to me. And also just the concept of the Yivo Yiddish, that we're speaking a Yiddish that no one ever spoke before, and that it's that sort of lack of authenticity. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, it's sort of sad in a way that you feel like you're capturing this nostalgic tongue, and it's actually something that no one's ever spoken before. And I guess maybe it's not the language itself that's complicated, but it's a question of, for me, how these things make me feel is complicated. But I guess in some ways that's a good way, because it allows you to struggle with these questions, that it isn't just one thing.